Hi guys, charity shop gold or garbage. Bought more than I intended to. That's all I wanted to buy. Another one of those wooden kits. This one looks like it's laser cut rather than punched out. That's what caught my eye, 49p. So I thought I would buy it. Reduced from 99p. I don't know if it's got the original price on it. Where's it come from? Produced for TWSL by RMS International. Oh, The Works is the local shop that would have been from. Yeah, looks like it's complete. It's even got paints in there, which I never use. But because it was only 49p, I felt embarrassed buying it. I know that doesn't sound like me, but 49p seemed a little bit low to actually put on a card, because I always pay by card. So I picked that up as well. £1.49. It's a 100-piece jigsaw. 100 pieces. 22 by 22 centimetres, or 9 inches by 9 inches when finished. I just thought it was a nice picture, so I thought, yeah, put them together. That means £2 I spent, or just under. And then in the next charity shop, I spotted this. I have had something similar in the past. It's radio controlled. Obviously, there's no controller with it in the charity shop. There never is. Well, almost never is. I wasn't quite sure about the price. I said, is that £1.50? And the shop assistant said, well, it is now, and charged me £1.50. I'm not quite sure what it was supposed to be. It's got batteries in it. It does say 27 megahertz. You switch it on and the eyes come on. But I have tried some of my box of 27 megahertz controllers, and so far it doesn't respond to any of them. So I was hoping I could do a quick demonstration in this video, but it'll have to be a separate video. I might even have to take it apart and see if there's something wrong with the motor. So yeah, there you go, 27 megahertz, made in China. Oh, Morrison supermarkets. Yeah, well, they do toys occasionally. But as I say, I've tried it, and at the moment I can't get it to respond to anything that I've got, which is a shame, because it does look rather fun. Ought to be all right on the floor here. Won't be any good outdoors, because it's only got tiny wheels. Although it would be fun to run it outdoors. So, separate video, we'll see if we can get that one working. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.